Biola Adebayo, people like you, some people should run far, 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 far away from you. You're a pretender.
Iṣẹ́ wa ò ní kọjú ìjà sí wa o, àní jẹ̀bi lórí iṣẹ́ tí a bá ń ṣe o. Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ ni ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn ti ń jáde fún lọ́tún lósì báyìí látàrí bó ṣe fi àyè gba bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà láti wá sórí ètò rẹ̀ tàmọ̀ sí Talk B. Àtìgbà tí ètò ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ náà ti jáde ló ti di wípé àwọn èèyàn ti ń jáde fún Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tún àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan dé ìsàlẹ̀ kòkò lórí pé ó ṣe interview fún bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ wo arábìnrin yìí tún jáde o, ó tún mẹ́nuba àwọn kankan nípa Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fi ti ara yín gbọ́ kí lẹ rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ nípa Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ àti àwọn èyí tí ó sọ pé ó ti ṣe sẹ́yìn. Ẹ wo ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti ń gbọ́mọta o, ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí ṣe ká bá Bíọ́lá wí gangan àbí ká gbójú lórí èyí tó ṣe fún bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti wípé kì máa ṣe Bíọ́lá nìkan ló ṣe interview fún bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹni tí ń ṣe gbajúgbajà olórin jùjú Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ náà máa ṣe interview. Kí ni ti Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ fi wáyà lára ọ̀tọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí? Ẹ wo ẹ tún wá gbọ́ ohun tí arábìnrin yìí sọ o.
Where is Biola Adebayo's ex-sister-in-law? The one we dragged on social media the last time. You remember that auntie? All of us dragged her because she came out to defend her brother. And because Biola Adebayo has a very calm nature, you know, she looks very calm and gentle. All of us thought they wanted to cheat her. We all thought that they were doing a smear campaign on her name. In fact, even me with this my sharp mouth, I was praising Biola Adebayo. I was saying her, she doesn't like controversy. She's this as... You deceived all of us, auntie. If you can watch this video wherever you are, we are ready to listen to you now. Since Biola Adebayo knows how to use her platform to interview child molesters, we too, we are ready to listen to your side of the story. Biola Adebayo's in-laws, it's time for you to come and tell us who she really is. Yes, we were not interested before, but now we are interested. We really want to know her. Because I think all of the things that she's been showing to us on social media is a mirage, is a pretense. We want to know the type of person that she really is. We actually thought she was a very nice, calm person. And for those of you that keep saying, all of the good things that she has done, excuse you, he uses that same platform to elevate somebody who was convicted of being a child molester. Excuse you, we will not clap for her. Lie. Yes, she has used that platform to uplift people before. But now that she wants to be using it for something negative, lie, we will not clap for her. Sorry. We should have actually suspected her until when she chose our ex-husband's birthday, to announce their divorce. It's birthday, to announce that they were no longer together. That's when we should have suspected that she's kind of sneaky and cunning. But with the stunt she pulled yesterday, now I can see through you that you are not what you've been portraying on social media. You see me now, with this my hair now. A lot of people will see my post and say, look at that girl. Nobody can marry her. She has bad attitude. They will choose somebody like you because of your calm nature and because you're always very modest. They will say you are perfect, not knowing that those people that always act like they are calm, they are modest, they are religious, a lot of them, they have bad character. They are just using that whatever religious look as a decoy so that people will not really know the type of person that they really are. They use it as a distraction. Biola Adebayo, this one that you did yesterday, I am taking it personal for so many reasons. And for those of you that say, it's because it's your fave, that's why you keep coming. I am different from you guys. Oh. You guys think that because they mentioned Iyaboojo, excuse you, Iyaboojo is not the victim. There is a victim in all of this, and that's a minor, a little girl. It was set up. The only thing that girl had to do was sit down. If he had not touched her, if he had not moved closer to her, we wouldn't be where we are today. Somebody that was convicted. Do you know that some people have been cancelled in the society just because they had relationship with bad people? So you want to tell me now that you are allowing somebody who was convicted, he went to court of appeal, they threw out his case. You are telling me that you could bring him to your platform not for accountability, not for remorse, but for him to clear his name, for you to whitewash him to us because we have amnesia, because we don't have sense, because we cannot remember what we saw in that video, Abby, because we are forgetful. You have the audacity to say, hey, you know now, when you know somebody, you cannot act as if you don't know them anymore. You are a pretender. Biola Adebayo, people like you, some people should run far, 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 far away from you. You are a pretender. You are a pretender. They say I should remove doctor from your name, so I'll call you Biola Adebayo or Auntie Biola Adebayo because you're older than me. I don't do live. I would have actually opened my live program for you so that people come and express themselves how they feel. That's why I'm going to be making videos. And for those of you that will say, but you made one video today, I will make 50 videos about this because I'm very annoyed. I'm very annoyed. This has nothing to do with Iyaboojo. This is about a victim, a little girl. Do you even care about that girl's mental health? Every time that girl decides to move on with her life, you guys have a way of uprooting this evil again. Every time she decides that let me go and heal, this is a gun issue. Do you know how many times such a girl would have changed her school? Because they would have used that. You know how the society is. You know how society victimize people. Do you know how many people that will know that this man is lying, but because of societal victimization, they decided to keep quiet? But you continue to reopen their wounds. And to those of you that say, a lot of people should come out. If they come out, it's those of you that will say, they can't marry your sister, they can't marry your brother because they've been abused as minors. Why do you think a lot of people keep quiet? Because of likes of BIOLA ADEBAYO, who would give platform to people like that. People like BIOLA. Huh? As a mother, you should feel it in your body. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? I'm not gonna lie, I am so livid. This whole thing is giving, I'm so upset. And I'm not stopping. I will make more videos because I'm annoyed. People have been opening lives yesterday. If I wanted to on my live program, I would have done it, but I don't have time for live right now. That's why I'm going to be making a lot of videos. BIOLA ADEBAYO, what you did is wrong and evil. Whatever your intentions were not pure at all. If Baba Ijesha wanted people to hear him, he could have done it gradually. You cannot force him on us. Those videos are still on social media till next year. And his footprint on social media is bad. I talk about
BIOLA ADEBAYO actually used the part where Baba Ijesha was talking about Iyaboojo for clickbait because she knows that people will definitely want to watch. The part where he was talking about Iyaboojo was the part where you could use to advertise this episode. Very, very insensitive. You're a doctor, not an honorary doctor. You went to school, so you know what it means. You actually use that part for a reason because you know that's the part that will bring you the views that you want. Well done, ma. So now, Baba Ijesha said a lot of things. And I know a lot of you will say, he needs to speak now. Won't he be heard? He needs to say his side of the story. That man has been talking since forever. I can't count the number of interviews Baba Ijesha has granted. He said the same thing that he was set up. Why has he not sued anybody? Up till now, at the judicial system or Lagos State, I've not heard that he has sued the witnesses. I've not heard that he has sued the cast and crew that he said they set him up because he said they were cast and crew. That was the movie that they were acting. He has not sued them. Why? I've not heard that he has sued the people that installed that CCTV. I've not heard anything. Because if he's saying it's been set up for all these years and up till now, nobody has been sued, then I really don't know. Somebody like Baba Ijesha needs rehab. He needs to be rehabilitated. If someone like that is going to be reintegrated into the society, let them go to rehab first. Let them get some mental help. What Baba Ijesha needs is mental help. But because a lot of people continue to give him platforms, people like BIOLA ADEBAYO giving him platform to play the victim card, to act like the victim, to act like he was being lied to act like the whole Nigerian system is a joke. The judicial system in Nigeria is a joke. Why won't he continue to say the things he's been saying since forever? Saying he was set up. Now, Dr. BIOLA ADEBAYO, the reason I'm making this post is I want to say congratulations, ma. Your views are rolling. You're getting a lot of views. Iyaboojo is being dragged again. People are dragging her left, right, and center as usual because you know that this Baba Ijesha's case gave her a lot of enemies. 90% of the enemies that Iyaboojo has today were from Baba Ijesha's case. So now they are dragging her again. Just few days before our movie premiere. Can't you see how cool that is? I hope it makes you happy. I hope you feel great. And I want you to also know that people are spreading that little girl's video again. So for those of you who have not watched it or who didn't watch it then, I'm sure you guys are seeing it all over your FYP. People are posting it. And I'm sure that is good for the mental health of that girl, right? It's actually cool because while trying to heal, somebody somewhere is platforming the same person who was convicted for molesting you. That's so smart. Dr. BIOLA ADEBAYO. That's really cute, right? For that girl to continue to see that video, for old wounds to continue to reopen. I hope you know that wherever Princess is right now, she'll be playing music and be dancing because your video, yes, is all over social media. That's what people are talking about. I hope you feel happy. I hope you feel great. How will Baba Ijesha feel any remorse when people like you continue to give him platforms? He's your colleague, I know, but you are a mother, Dr. BIOLA ADEBAYO. You are a mother first before anything else. You know what it means. And I'm sure that as a woman, you know what it means. You know how it feels. This show that you did, this episode that you did, the only thing that can make me agree that this is okay is if you are giving me a certificate of Baba Ijesha being fully rehabilitated, if you have shown it on your platform that, no, Baba Ijesha, I went to go and get him from the rehab, he's okay now, mentally, he's adjusting back. And I'm telling you now that if anybody leaves their daughter with him, he will be okay. Even me, my niece or my nephew or be my cousin or whatever was with Baba Ijesha for a few months as testing, and Baba Ijesha did not touch that my cousin. So I want you all to know that he's okay now. He cannot do such a thing again. Then I would understand. But all of the things that he came to say on your platform, he signed about it. He has said it on other platform. How is yours different? For views, monetization, for clouds. After that, After that, what else? Nothing. People like Baba Ijesha need to know that what they did is wrong. Why do you think that a lot of our men are wallowing in UK prison for this same thing? Because there are systems who don't cover up for people like that. Because if somebody in America or the UK or in any European country had done what you did today, Dr. BIOLA Adebayo, I'm telling you, would have been sanctioned. Somebody that was convicted. Before someone was convicted, there were investigations. There must have been proof, evidences before they convicted him. You giving him your platform today, if you were in another society, I'm telling you, they would have sanctioned you. But who am I to tell you who to bring to your platform? I'm just speaking from a mother to another mother. This right here is distasteful. It's very distasteful. From a so-called doctor. Or from a doctor, you're not even so-called, you're a doctor and a mother. This male-centeredness that a lot of us women that we do, it stinks. It stinks. Men are the perpetrators. But you see, some of us women, we are the enablers. How will the society be clean when we have people who platform people like Baba Ijesha? And I'm not saying they should cancel him. I'm not saying they shouldn't have his life back. But it's a gradual thing. You don't force people like Baba Ijesha into the society. You don't force him back into the system. It's a gradual thing. There are levels. There are processes for people like Baba Ijesha to be reintegrated back. If Baba Ijesha thinks he was set up, why has he not sued anybody yet? There are so many people who will give him money. There are so many likes of Baba Ijesha in society. Women, men that would contribute money. Let him sue people if he thinks he was being lied on. If he thinks he was set up, let him sue people. Not be church or chore every day. Not be church or chore. We are tired of the church or chore. Hey, Joe, this case has lingered for too long. It's enough. It's enough.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.